Okay, good to go. And GMP should be done with our, well, not done, but we have our make check. Okay. And next we have to issue, you should got no errors, something looking like this maybe. Okay. Nothing to be done for check. Okay. Make check. Should have been okay. Let's awk out, as the book says here, ensure that all 184 in the test suite have passed. Check the results by issuing the following command. So let's say awk. I have to say tests passed. Actually, I should have threw these in there first. Awk test passed. And we'll say total plus and equals $2. Okay. And we need to throw a semi, another space, say end. Print total. Okay, and GMP check log. Great. That's our magic number, 184. We're good. Say make install now. Okay. This doesn't take long at all. Done. Don't worry about all that caution stuff you got up there. Okay. You're okay. And let's say make directory for both user share doc GMP dash 5.1.1. Make directory user share doc GMP 5.1.1. Good. Okay, it says if desired install the documentation. I'm going to install the documentation. Docs are always good to have. Might take a little time to set it up as far as where to put everything, but it's a good idea to install your documentation. Headache configuration. Okay, because we're going to use this. Not just building it just to build it, we're going to actually use this, so if we ever need to look at anything, this would be a good thing to have. So let's say copy verbose docs, or doc, ISA ABI underscore headache, okay, configuration to doc / all.html. We need to copy all that to user share doc GMP. Okay, good. Good. And let's say GMP is done. We don't have to worry about this ever again. Now it's on to MPFR. Let's go back up. We'll remove GMP and clear tar XVF MPFR 3.1.1. CD into MPFR. MPFR. Okay. 0.8 SBUs. A little bit of time. 4 minutes, something like that. And it says here we have to configure it. We want to say configure prefix equals user. Okay. I'm going to enable thread safe. And our doctor is going to equal user share doc MPFR dash 3.1.1. Okay, so enable thread safe. Looks good. Doctor equals user share. Good. Okay. It's going to be configured. And again, we have to issue this test here. Right? It says the test suite for MPFR in this section is considered critical. Do not skip it under any circumstances. So that's what we will do. Clear. And let's say make and make check. Okay. So let that burn up, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit.